families of the Warwick High School students involved in the deadly crash on October 26th. All proceeds from the event go directly to the families of Jack Nicholson, Meghan Keeney, and Rylan Beebe. Jack and Meghan were killed. Rylan is now at home recovering from a brain injury.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Scene. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. I want to welcome you back to my channel. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Today, I am in Manheim, Pennsylvania for the Warwick Strong Benefit Car Show and Meet. It's just a really great way to bring the community together, to rally around these families and raise some money, because I can't even imagine a situation like that. And I know money in any denomination isn't going to bring them back, but it really is helpful for the families that are going through this process. So we're happy to help. And I've only been here about 20 minutes, but there's already an incredible amount of cars here. At last count on the Facebook event, they were looking at about 400 to 500 cars. So there's plenty to look at today. So let's go take a walk and see what came out.
see that people actually still do care and want to make the commitment to go out and show for the community, for families of the community, spend the money for that type of thing. It's impressive.
Organizers also plan to sell T-shirts to raise money for the families. They say today's event raised a little more than $7,500.
All right, guys, and with that, that is the end of the Warwick Strong Car Meet. Great day, great event, and an even greater cause. They had a ton of cars there. The problem being that they were very spread out. They were actually using about 5 or 6 different local parking lots in a cluster, just because I don't think they were expecting as many cars as they had. I had heard some people throwing around the number of 1,500, but I'm not sure. And honestly, there were cars coming and going all day long. So with that said, it was a great event. I hope they raised a ton of money, and my heart goes out to the families that were affected by this tragedy, because I couldn't even imagine what that would be like, and hopefully I never have to endure something like that. So I hope you guys have an excellent day. I don't know how many more events like this we're going to have. It was pretty cold today. We're in the mid 40s, maybe upper 40s if you're in the sun. So I think that's coming to an abrupt close. But thank you guys for joining me on my channel, and I'll see you next time.